Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Maths with Yasir Arfat. Today we are going to discuss a very important trick to find out the integration of trigonometric functions having power odd. If we have the odd power on any trigonometric function, so we have to discuss a very important technique here. Sine cube x is given to you and we have to find out its integration. So here the power is odd. This rule will apply all trigonometric functions when they have the odd power there. So first we have to separate a linear function from sine cube. Sine cube, we have to take out sine x here. So it becomes sine square x into sine x. Base same, power will be same. So when we have the odd power there, so we have to take out a linear function from there. And the remaining one, it becomes with the even power, we have to change this one into its relative formula. So here, sine square theta, we have the formula here. Sine square theta, it is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So here sine square x we have to change to its relative formula, that is 1 minus cos square x into sine x. We have the odd power here. The first step will be we have to separate the linear function from there. And then the even function with the power, we have the power even. We have to change that function to its relative formula. Here we have the sine square theta, so that will be equal to the 1 minus cos square theta, whatever the angle it is given to you. So here we have to multiply this one then. We have to multiply sine x and dx. We have to separate the integration there. So when we have to adopt this strategy there, we have to use this strategy there. So this is the integration of sine x. Yes, we have a formula of integration sine x, that is the minus cos x. And this is cos of x and its derivative is sine x. Sine can be adjusted there. So it means this is the function and this is its derivative. So we have to suppose this is cos x is equals to t and we have to find out its derivative here. So the derivative of cos x is minus sine x. But here it is only sine x, so we can shift this negative sign there. To multiply the negative sign on both sides. So this is sine x dx and we have to suppose cos with t square. So this is sine x dx, it is equals to minus dt. Cos x, it is equals to t, so it is t square and this is equals to minus dt. Now we have to multiply this negative sign here, here. So this is of dt minus minus plus. So this is t square of dt. Now we have to integrate with respect to t here. So this is minus t and the integration of t square, we have to add 1 and divided by its result t square plus c. So this is here 2, we have to add 1 there, we have to divide by the result. Now we have to put the value t, that is cos x. So this is cos x, this is cos x cube divided by 3. So here t, the integration of t square is 2 plus 1 divided by 3 plus c. Then we have to put the value of t, it was cos x. So we have to restore this one in the form of f of x. So this is the integration of sine cube x. This strategy we have to apply on all trigonometric functions in which we have the power or there. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Math with Yasser Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.